Okay, so we've got a Mercedes-Benz CLC200 compressor in a two-door automatic coupe. Obviously black in colour. Got the reverse sensors, tinted windows, nice set of alloy wheels, which are the genuine Mercedes wheels. It's actually got the electric sunroof, and that glass roof will slide back along the roof. But yeah, look, presents very well. Good set of tyres, barely a mark on it. I suppose with 61,000 kilometres, you sort of expect a pretty good condition car, but it must have always been garaged. There's your interior, so there's your leather seat, also in good condition. Got the driver passenger airbag, there's your Bluetooth connectivity for your telephone. There's your radio, CD, dual zone climate air conditioning, automatic transmission, and yeah, like I said, seats are in very good condition. The back seat is pretty much like it's never been sat in. Have a look in the boot. So you got your nice big boot, set of floor mats there. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.